Hello everyone, let's try to answer this question from the chapter Current Electricity based on the concept DC motor. Let's go through the question and try to understand what is given in the question. A DC motor is rotating in clockwise direction. How can the direction of rotation be reversed? Now, the direction in which the motor is rotating depends on the direction in which the force is acting, right? Now, how do we know the direction of force acting on the coil? Through Fleming's left hand rule. What is Fleming's left hand rule? Stretch your forefinger, middle finger, and thumb all mutually perpendicular to each other. If the forefinger indicates the direction of magnetic field, if this forefinger indicates the direction of magnetic field, this is your forefinger, or middle finger will indicate the direction of current, I. Then a thumb will indicate the direction of force. So this is your Fleming's left hand rule. Let's try to understand what is happening in the motor. Now in this motor you can see that magnetic field is from north to south, right? It is in this direction he gave it, and at the supply point you can see that here it is positive and here it is negative, so current will flow in this direction. So current direction is in this way. Now try to see in which direction force is acting using left hand rule. So when you use your left hand rule, you will see that force will be acting in this direction, giving it a clockwise movement. Here it will be acting downward direction, here it will be acting upward direction. So it will start rotating clockwise. Now what we need to do? We need to change the direction of rotation. How can we change the direction of rotation? Simple. If we try to change the direction of this force and this force, we will be able to change the direction of rotation, right? It will start rotating anti-clockwise. This is rotating in clockwise direction because forces are acting in this manner. Here upward and here downward, giving it a couple. Now if we change the direction of these forces, both these forces, it will start rotating in opposite direction. How can we change the direction of force? You can clearly see that direction of force clearly depends upon the direction of magnetic field and direction of current flowing through the coil. So if we change either one of them, the direction of force will change, which will in turn change the direction of rotation, right? When force direction change, the coupled direction will change and it will start rotating in opposite direction. So we need to change direction of current. For changing the direction of current, what we need to do? We need to just reverse these terminals. You need to reverse these terminals. You need to keep battery in this direction. This should be your positive side and this should be your negative side. Then what will happen? Current will start going in this direction and it will change the direction of current in the coil. So first change the terminals of battery. Second, how can I change the direction of magnetic field? If I bring this north pole to here and south pole, if I bring it to here, your magnetic field will change from this side to this side. This will become north and this will become south. So your magnetic field direction will change. Now when your magnetic field direction changes, it will change your force direction also. So change the field direction by changing poles. So these are the two important ways in which we can change the direction of rotating coil in a DC motor.